Alright, tech lovers, brace yourself. Today, we are going deep into a battle that's already got the internet buzzing. The Xiaomi 17 Pro Max versus iPhone 17 Pro Max. Drum rolls. Two beasts, two flagship experiences, both packing insane cameras, displays, and chipsets. But who really rules the performance? We are going to compare everything: design, display, camera, performance, battery, and I'll give you all the insights you need before you decide which one deserves your hard earned money. Let's go. Let's discuss design and display. iPhone 17 Pro Max is about 163.4 by 78 by 8.8 mm and weighs around 233 grams. It has ceramic shield 2 glass, aluminium alloy frame, and also IP68 water or dust resistance. Whereas Xiaomi 17 Pro Max is about 162.9 by 76.6 by 8 mm and weighs around 219 grams. Well, this is Dragon Crystal 3, Glass 3, aluminium frame, and this also has IP68 water or dust resistance. This means both the phones are premium, but Xiaomi 17 Pro Max wins because it is slightly lighter than iPhone. And the bonus is it also has a secondary back display. This is a quirky bonus which Apple fans might not get. So here the winner is Xiaomi 17 Pro Max. Let's discuss display. iPhone 17 Pro Max is LTO Super Retina XDR OLED and is 120 Hz, and it also has 3000 nits peak brightness and is 6.9 inches. Whereas Xiaomi 17 Pro Max is LTPO AMOLED, also 120 Hz. This has peak brightness for about 3500 nits, 6.9 inches. That means both are jaw-dropping when it comes to display. But Xiaomi's higher peak brightness and dual display gives it an edge during direct sunlight. I would say iPhone still sticks to the familiar color accuracy. Let's discuss performance and chipset. iPhone 17 Pro Max has Apple A19 Pro hexa-core and Apple GPU 6 core, whereas Xiaomi 17 Pro Max has Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 octa-core and Adreno 840 GPU. Here's where things gets very interesting. Geekbench single core favors Apple because it has a stronger peak CPU performance. Xiaomi's multi-core performance is slightly ahead thanks to the extra cores, and GPU, the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 flexes serious muscles, especially in gaming, but thermal throttling can limit peak performance compared to Apple's consistent efficiency. Let's discuss camera. iPhone 17 Pro Max has triple cameras, one of 48 megapixel wide camera, 48 megapixel telephoto lens, 48 megapixel ultra wide, sensor shift OIS, and is 4K or 1080p resolution up to 120 fps. Laser AF, 5x optical zoom, and 1080 high frame rates. But Xiaomi brings higher megapixels and telephoto reach. But Apple remains the king for color science, video stability, and cinematic shooting. So for photography, it depends on whether you value resolution or color consistency. Let's discuss battery and charging. iPhone 17 Pro Max is about 4800 mAh battery to 5000 mAh battery depending on the model, and also it has 50% fast charging and 50% charge in 20 minutes. Well, here you have got wireless MagSafe for about 25 to 50 watts, 4.5 watts reverse charging. Well, Xiaomi 17 Pro Max on the other hand has 7500 mAh battery, 100 watt wired, 50 watt wireless, and 22.5 watt reverse wireless. Well, the clear winner is Xiaomi 17 Pro Max because it has massive battery and blazing fast charging. Apple keeps endurance respectable with smart optimization, but raw numbers favors Xiaomi. I'm so sorry. Let's take the real world takeaways. Performance According to the performance, Apple is equal to consistent efficiency and single core dominance. But Xiaomi is equal to raw multi-core and GPU muscle. Display is both flagship grade, but Xiaomi is slightly brighter and more flexible. Camera, Apple is equal to cinematic color and stable video, but Xiaomi is versatile, high resolution telephoto. Battery, Xiaomi 17 Pro Max is used for about 7500 mAh and 100 watts charging. It beats clearly. So, here's my final verdict. If you want all out power and flexibility, go for Xiaomi 17 Pro Max ahead with battery, brightness, and gaming potential. If you want stable videos, ecosystem integration, iPhone 17 Pro Max is still unmatched. So, which side are you on? The efficiency and the polish of Apple or the brute force of Xiaomi? Comment below with your pick. Hit that like button if this helped and subscribe for more deep dive tech comparisons. Keep tracking the tech world and I'll see you in the next one.